Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect peppermint tea? Taylor's of Harrogate has amazing tea, and my favorite tea flavor is organic peppermint. I love the fresh peppermint smell. It smells like the leaves have just been picked and freshly put in the bag. That's why I love these individually wrapped bags. I feel that the freshness is really held tight in them. I like to take them with me so I know that they have a perfect blend of organic peppermint tea whenever I want. I really enjoy having my tea bag sit for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and then you can see the richness in this tea bag. All of the wonderful leaves are there, and I'm a sweets lover, but this tea is so good that I don't even put any honey in it. It's perfect just the way it is. I love it. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.